Mike's playing his new Atari game that he got at a yard sale the other day. It's like ancient.
Dude, it's like asteroids, even though it is in color. I'm like working on high score.
He thinks he's so good. He's just shooting little blocks.
Oh god! Oh, did you see that save? Oh god! Oh god! No! Oh god!
Where are you? He's pretty proud of himself.
On his face. Oh god!
Oh, he's only at 510. Yo.
Yo.
Is it? What is that? Is that like a truck or something?
That must have been a...
Mike, it's still going on. Look, it's shaking.
I don't care.
Is it an earthquake?
It's like probably a truck.
Dude, come on, we need to get inside.
It's a truck.
Alright, it's stopping. Mom! Did you feel that? Those are still shaking. You felt that, Mike? It just felt like everything just started shaking. Like, I thought someone was, like, shaking the whole building.
Probably like a truck, but I didn't even hear it.
There was a truck that just passed.
Was there?
Yeah.
Must have been Optimus Prime.
It was probably an earthquake. Mom! You feel that? You feel that? I think it was a truck. We don't know.